This is opening box of Airsee DR2039, the newer version. So this is the newly launched item. So this is the user manual, and the first thing here we have frame contours of the new machine. I got a little sticker here. Speed manual motor. Okay, that will go right here. Go out. This is the handpiece, well wrapped. Okay, that go here, and another box. This one will contain the stand. As for this right here, gotta plug the in. So that will go in here. So for use, this one fit well, way better than the last version. This one is junction nail bit. This one is non-cutting diamond bits. You got a charger. This one is a different charger. This one is 12.8 volts. Okay. I got a backup sanding band, and case of nail bits. Okay. Let's test it out. Okay, so this will plug in here. We'll plug it to forward. Drill bit is in lock position, and let's turn it on. Oh, almost to none noise. Let's speed them up. Running at 35, you can barely hear the noise. Let's see if you can hear any noise from there. I can barely hear any sound at all, but the speed is strong at 35,000 rounds per minute, and it doesn't make any noise at all. This one is cool. It has Airsee, Bros, battery, direction, and the RPM. So RPM adjusts here. You can feel a little bit when you change the speed, but the speed is very strong, yet doesn't have a lot of noise at all. This one is a amazing machine. Wow. I will just check and see how long the battery lasts, but for the handpiece itself, it's small enough. It fits the hand very well. So when I have a video of the actual work with it, I will post it up later. Have fun, enjoy.